Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're going to be making 4 different overnight oats.
Overnight oats, a great way to make oatmeal overnight, right? So we've got 4 different ones here. What do we got? We have chocolate, banana, chocolate and peanut butter.
Chocolate, peanut butter, banana bread, blueberry, and chai.
I think we're all very excited about the chai. I'm
more excited for the banana bread.
You don't like chai?
You don't like chai?
I don't know.
You don't know? Anyway, overnight oats, 4 different ones. Like we did with our smoothies last week, we're gonna make 2x2s. Really good idea. I think these would make excellent breakfasts.
If they're filling.
If they're filling, which they will be, because there's like oatmeal is very filling, like a thing of oatmeal. And what's nice is oatmeal in the summer, meh, right? In the winter, yum, it warms you up from the inside,
but
fills
this
you
is
up.
cold.
So all summer long, you can continue to have delicious oatmeal, but just in different forms.
And it'll take a little longer because it'll sit in the fridge.
You're right, you have to do it overnight or 4 hours. We let ours go for overnight. But yeah, so Abby, where can people find the recipes for today's oats?
Here, we're at cookingwithabby.com.
So actually, no, nothing much here because there's 4 different ones. We don't have room to put all 4 here, and we're not going to cycle through all 4. So go to cookingwithabby.com. That's where they're going to be. All right. Shall we get started, young lady? Oh, lovely. Like we did with our smoothies, we're going to divide and conquer. We're going to do 2 at a time as well. Rebecca's are pretty simple here. I'm going to suggest that you put your seeds in with your oats, and I'm going to suggest that always you mix in all the dry with the oats. So go ahead, do that. The other thing that we learned from last time around, mostly because we pre-measure this stuff in our little bowls. Here, you can mix that up with the back of your spatula. We put our milk in our mason jars to begin with. Yes, we have fancy pants mason jars. Do you need fancy pants mason jars?
No.
Bowls are a beautiful thing.
Is this dry?
Is that dry?
Yeah, but like, do I put it in the wet?
Oh yeah. Is it wet?
No.
I guess sugar is technically wet, so.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's very confusing.
Mix that up. Rebecca, you can put your berries, your maple syrup, and your vanilla all in the milk.
This is gonna overflow.
I don't think it is, but.
No, in my container.
Now you can put in your blueberries carefully, because they're gonna go plop, 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 fizz, fizz, fizz. Not really. No fizzing.
It's blue. It's purple.
You can also do the blueberries. Ours are frozen. You can use fresh. You can also use them just as a topping, but that's kind of lame. I want my berries infused.
It looks such a
Is that mixed well enough?
That looks great. You can put that. I'd put all of your wet into your milk. You can now put your oats in with the. Careful. Oh,
Oats everywhere.
Really?
Yes, wait.
Yes, exact. There you go. You've got the technique. You're gonna need your spatula.
Spatula.
Spatula. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. I don't remember the names of these. This is obviously the blueberry one. Is this the
peanut butter one?
This is the peanut butter one?
Yeah, well, there's peanut butter in it.
Yeah, it's not the peanut butter one though. Oh, sorry. There's a chai one. Really should have taken note of the names, people.
It's not chai, it's chia.
No, those are chia seeds. That's it. We're making a chia overnight oats. Put your lid on.
And
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your body.
What?
Sorry. Dude, you're gonna be close. Why is it? Look at that. What? That's not shaking. Look at this.
Jeez.
Shook. Now, the problem is you kind of need, no, I guess you don't. I was gonna say you need a little room to grow, but in theory, the oats are, not in theory, in actuality, the oats
They're
are.
gonna saga. I can't do this.
Apparently.
I want to.
The oats are taking away the moisture out of the milk. So it's not like we're creating anything new in here. Nothing is rising.
Wait.
No.
What?
Oh.
It's like some good
Seriously?
stuff. Sorry. I'm covered in...
A shake,
No,
shake,
I
shake.
want to shake.
A shake.
No, I want to shake.
A shake.
No!
Yes.
A shake.
No, I want to shake.
No, yesterday
Sorry,
when
shook.
I heard that song yesterday.
Did you?
On TV.
Yours has absolutely nothing.
Rebecca's is on the short side. We could have doubled Rebecca's recipe. But you know what? It's quite a lot of oats. So, 1, 2, a little peanut butter on top for me. We're gonna clean up, reset, recycle, and get ready for 2 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
3, 4.
Set, ready to go for round 2. Listen, people, we have an extreme number of little itty bitty bowls, and we ran out, especially for the chai one, because there's like 6 billion spices in there. Notably, actually 7, 8. All right, so same deal. Let's mix all of our dries together and put our wets in our milk.
I'm gonna do this more organized.
Well,
Is that one salt?
that's salt. You can put it in there.
Okay, so do I put all of these in here?
All of them. I love spice bowls like that.
It smells so
My favorite
good.
thing to do. This guy has turmeric in it, mostly for color. I'm gonna help move things along here a little bit because that's the name of the game. Sweeteners, all kinds, right? We're using maple syrup. You can use honey. You can use natural sugar. You can use. I would put the banana in first. That's my idea. Banana, we pre-mash with a fork first because I was thinking, you know, us and frozen bananas don't really go very well.
Why?
Ooh, you're gonna be on the verge of catastrophe.
Not
Ready?
me this
Ready,
time,
careful.
hopefully. Bop, bop.
Oh, no, it's a...
Oh yeah,
Just.
totally makes it. These two are both. Hey, with the blueberry one, was that the one we cut in half?
No, we cut one of these
We
in
cut
half.
one of these. No, we cut one of the other ones in half. Didn't
No,
we?
one of these. I
of
think we
these?
cut this one in half.
No, we cut this one in half,
Yeah.
which is good. We should have doubled the blueberry one because there's really only half of that.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah, dude, we don't have 25 minutes. Neither do they, man. In you go. In you go. In you go.
Well, see, this is what I want. That's why I was doing it slow.
Doesn't matter. I make more for myself.
You know, I have to over-abuse my fast forward button.
Done.
Boom. Move on. Next.
Oh, actually, that's actually.
I am actually looking forward to these two, I think, more than the other one, although the other one has cocoa in it, and I'm a big fan of cocoa.
It's closed.
I think I'm gonna look through to this one and the blueberry.
I want to shake.
I understand. I just want to make sure it's closed because I don't want to clean up milk from everywhere. Oh, another point. Milk? Use your milk of preference. We're using milk of the bovine nature. Soy milk, almond milk.
Whatever milk you want. Milk.
Oat milk? You think oat milk with oats would work?
No.
I don't think so. I think that'd be too much
Yes.
oat.
Yeah.
This
Even though
one
it's
is
called
really one that you want to make sure you
Overnight
shake. Now, so overnight, 4 hours. We're gonna leave ours literally overnight, and maybe even a little bit longer, because we got some stuff to do. Oh no, we're gonna leave ours 4 hours. Sorry, all kinds of craziness going on in our lives. 4 hours, we're gonna leave ours, and then we're gonna try them. But overnight totally works, and I'm
Yeah.
thinking these would maybe be good for like lunches and stuff like that too. We'll see how filling they are. All right, so we're gonna clean up, and we will see you in 4 hours or overnight.
Should we do a time warp?
1, 2, 3. Oh,
Morning.
morning! Overnight oats. So, you know, we had to wait overnight. Before us, we have 4 delicious and each one very unique. You know, our smoothies, there was kind of a couple that looked a lot alike. These guys all look unique.
This one looks very oatmeal.
That one looks very oatmeal-y. I have
I
sampled
think-
them all.
How rude.
How rude indeed. All right, let's go.
Can I try this one first?
I'm trying this one.
I think you did a great job of smushing up the banana there, but I think you needed to smush it up a little more. And thoughts?
Favorite.
Favorite? You?
Least favorite.
No,
then
I
this.
don't
Then
think
this.
I
I don't like
Really?
this.
You like this one? No, this one, the chai latte one, I had such high expectations, and I think at the end of the day, if we doubled,
So bitter.
if we halved the spice and doubled the oats and milk, I think that would be a lot better. Blueberry,
No flavor.
kind of unimaginative, very good. Banana, delicious. Chocolate, delicious.
I don't like
Those
chocolate.
two combined, total winner.
You
don't like this one?
This one I really, really don't like.
No.
This one is that I think because one like tastes like nut buttery.
Oh, you're right. It tastes like nut butter.
Well, there is peanut butter in
sorry.
that. In which one?
That one I still had the taste of that one, so I'm gonna try that one.
Yeah, there's not much flavor in there. So if you had that one after chai, you'd be kind of pooched. Anyway, that one's good. It's just too intense. There's too much spice. I actually went back and double checked the recipe to make sure you read it off to me correctly.
I did.
You did. But I think if we halved the spice,
Very pumpkin-y.
well, that's the point, right? But I feel like maybe it's the ginger, definitely the allspice, which we actually dialed back a little bit, but I think we could dial back more. Anyways, I think, listen, that one, meh. That one's just too intense. Dialed back, delicious. The rest of them, fantastic. I'd make them all.
Yeah, that one.
A little less. Even when I just diluted it with that, it was really good. All right, so next week we have something special for you guys, but we're not going to tell you yet because that's not how we roll.
Stay tuned, like you have to watch.
Stay tuned, exactly. You won't want to miss next week. All right. Wait, you got to subscribe. You got to follow us on Instagram.
Thumbs up.
Hit the thumb up, the bell. Share with your friends.
And Facebook, you have to follow.
Especially these. You can share these with your friends because who doesn't have oats that they want to make overnight oats with? Nothing here was very spectacular. Okay, the chai one maybe because there was a lot going on in there. And not everybody has chia seeds, but you could make all of these without chia seeds. Anyways, bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, bye.
I think I just drooled.
Ew.
Did I?
Well,
I don't know. I mean, you're not wet, but
why do you think ew if you don't even know?
because he drooled.
No,
Drooling is
I
that.
don't think they were my favorite.